Okay, hello, welcome back to my channel. This is the part number 2 from the video engine fail procedure importance. Currently, right now we are in Innsbruck airport. I pick up the Innsbruck because this is the category C airport and the engine fail procedure, it's really important here to follow and to know by your memory. But well, anyway, if you would like to fly to the Innsbruck airport, you have to follow some special procedures and you have to be approved. Your operator must be approved, so that means that you have to approve to Civil Aviation Authorities Austrocontrol that you meet some performance specification requirements and your flight crews must be trained on full flight simulator with visual scenery. The engine fail procedure here in Innsbruck is quite complicated and you have to use all much resources as it is possible for this kind of departure and arrival as well. So let's jump to the cockpit and well, imagine that we are flying to Amsterdam, so Echo Hotel Alpha Mike Airport, and we have already assigned from the tower that we are clear to fly level 150 and Rattenberg 1 Romeo departure, which you can see right here. And what is important? Important is that the sailing should be 1300 of broken clouds or overcast, and ground visibility 1500 meters. But there is the one point here, flight visibility should be 5 kilometers or more. So I put into the flight simulator 5 kilometers of visibility. If you are approved for special performance departure, it should be approved as authorization required and your visibility should go down to RVR 150 meters. But anyway, this is out of the way, and right now how the engine fail procedure looks like. It looks like this one. First of all, we have to go to our secondary flight plan page. Again, different procedures for the Boeing 737, different procedures for Airbus, but anyway, I will choose the Airbus because I have right now the Airbus edition side stick, and the Toliss is quite good modeled, so that's why I pick up the Toliss airplane and X-Plane 12. Anyway, so copy active, and right now we have to choose the runway extension. The runway for departure, runway 26, and we put no SID. Just press insert, and once we are here, we have the runway extension, as you can see, somewhere over here. And what engine fail procedure says, we are going through step by step. So the first point is Oscar Echo Victor and 1 nautical mile, then turning right, and speed should be V2 plus 15. So Oscar Echo Victor, runway QDM it's 257 and 1 nautical mile. So put it here. Then V2 plus 15 into the waypoint Whiskey India 006. Then we have Whiskey India 007. Then what is important? We have to perform the left turn and going back to Whiskey 006. Sorry, Whiskey India. Then we continue to Whiskey India 005. Then Whiskey India 103. I speak slowly in order to let you know what is the sequence of the waypoint, okay? Then again, left turn to Whiskey India 002. And then to Rattenberg NDB. And overhead Rattenberg NDB, we have the holding pattern. And as you can see on the chart, it's clearly stated that it's inbound 225 with the right turns and minimum holding altitude 9,500 feet. That means 1 minute outbound leg. Well, that's it. We have everything pre-selected. Into the radio nav page, put hard tuning of Romeo Tango Tango. You can see we have Oscar Echo Victor. Just for the confirmation with landing system, we have it here. And basically that's it. And we have ADF pre-selected on AFIS panel as well for the needle indication. So we are good to go, and we can perform the departure and engine failure just after the V1. Okay. Okay, so we have manual flex SRS, auto thrust is blue. AT knots is checked. V1, rotate. Pilot engaged. Okay, so one nautical mile was passed, so activate secondary, direct to first waypoint. And now if we feel that we are safe, we can perform the ECAM actions. The pilot monitoring should declare the emergency. And now we are proceeding and focusing only on flying, okay? If you don't feel safe, press toga, okay? We can preset the altitude 9,500, this is our engine out acceleration altitude. Okay, so I will press the toga. This is crucial to have in this situation on the MCC. Okay, we lose our one navigation display. So in this case we will transfer the controls to the first officer. Okay, watch the temperature, 7 degrees, so engine anti-ice should be on, operating engine on. And now you can see how the friction from the surface wind blowing and touching the heels are making the mechanical turbulence for the airplane. So in this case I will go for flaps 160, sorry, for speed 160. Okay, we are proceeding to Whiskey 007. Okay, we have additional fault on alert. Okay, I will put maximum continuous thrust. Okay, now it's very important, press heading select. You can see how close we are into the terrain. Okay, so we can, with the left turn, make it into Whiskey India 006 back again. Okay, now you can see that we have the obstacles on the left side as well on the right side, but we are following the valley, so as soon as we finish our turn to Whiskey 006, I will start to accelerate and configure the airplane for the clean configuration, so with the flaps retraction to up position. Okay, so we want to accelerate, so press push to level off. Now it should be okay, so go with flaps 1. We have to be very patient and first aviate, then navigate. Communicate and checklist is on the last part of our intentions. in this case of scenario, as you can see, the speed is jumping up and down, so we really have to be stable to, or let's say if it is strong turbulence, so we will leave the configuration as it is into the holding pattern. Okay, the trailing edge flaps are automatically retracting, that's quite okay. Okay, now press open climb because we don't want to decelerate the airplane. If we don't feel the safe, we can go down to 10,000 feet. It's no problem, not big deal. Okay, so right now after passing Whiskey India 005, we are continuing to Whiskey India 003. Watch the needle as well for the Rattenberg NDB. The airport is below us right now. Okay, we can look at the charts. This segment has minimum sector altitude 11,600, and this is quite higher, but we'll follow the procedure via the valley, so I will keep it with 10,300 at least. Okay, so it's this segment, so 10,500 will be okay. Okay, now left turn again and to Whiskey India 002. Okay guys, so in this situation we are shortly not shortly, it's almost 8 nautical miles to the waypoint Whiskey India 002. Then we will join the Rattenberg hold, and within the Rattenberg hold we will coordinate with ATC controllers our take of alternate, which would be, for example, Munich, okay, or Linz, or whatsoever airport you have filled into the operational flight plan, and as well with your ATC ICAO flight plan. Anyway, next important part, brief the cabin. What are we going to do, or perform the PA, so passenger address announcement, and prepare airplane for the landing. Okay, so that's it. I hope you liked the video, and we'll see you next time soon. Have a safe flight. Bye.